Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This is my personal experience using the platform, so your mileage may vary. Today, we're diving into Sweat, found at https://www.sweat.com. This platform is a treasure trove of fitness resources, and I'm excited to share my experience navigating its features and programs. Sweat provides structured workout plans, catering to diverse fitness levels and goals, from beginners just starting their journey to seasoned athletes looking for a new challenge. What truly sets Sweat apart is its focus on female fitness, offering a supportive community and workouts specifically tailored to women's bodies and needs. The app boasts a wide variety of workout styles, ensuring there's something for everyone. Whether you're into high-intensity interval training, HIIT, strength training, yoga, Pilates, barre, or even post-pregnancy and postpartum recovery, Sweat has got you covered. The platform is also incredibly user-friendly, with easy-to-follow video demonstrations and clear instructions for each exercise. This takes the guesswork out of your workouts and helps you maintain proper form, minimizing the risk of injury. Furthermore, Sweat offers nutritional guidance and meal planning tools, providing a holistic approach to health and wellness beyond just exercise. Another standout feature is the supportive community aspect. Sweat fosters a positive and encouraging environment where users can connect with each other, share their progress, and find motivation. This sense of community can be incredibly valuable, especially when facing challenges or plateaus in your fitness journey. Having a network of like-minded individuals cheering you on can make a significant difference in staying consistent and achieving your goals. Overall, Sweat is a comprehensive platform that combines effective workout programs, nutritional guidance, and community support, making it a valuable resource for women seeking to improve their fitness and overall well-being. I found it incredibly beneficial in my own fitness journey, and I'm confident it can help you too. Check it out via the link in the description and let me know what you think in the comments.